Now let us make that Vipin Gupta user as a teacher for that cloud computing introduction course and Nannu Kannu user as a student for that. So in our case we will go to that site administration. So we will go to the courses, manage course and categories. So this is the category cloud computing. In cloud computing, what we have got, this is our course. So now what is showing? Enrolled user. So we will click on enrolled users. So no one is there, only admin user is there. So what we are going to say, enroll users. We will search for the users. So we can click here. So what we want? We want Nannu and Kannu user as which role we want to assign. We want to assign student role. So we will click student. Then again we will go to enroll user. We will search Vipin user, and what we want? We want it as a teachers. So category of user is there. User that our initial user that was available to us, that was user's name was user. That is the admin. Then we have got manager, then teacher, then non-editing teacher, then student. Least privileged user is your student, and most privileged user is your user. So what we are going to do, we will say enroll. Now in our case, what it is showing, that for this course Vipin Gupta is the teacher, Kannu and Nannu, and these are the your, you can say, your students. Now what we will do, we will log in as which user? We will log in as this Vipin user. So in our case we will open one private window. We will again type this. So we will log in. Which user we are going to specify? Vipin, and whatever is the password. So in our case we have given all the users the same password, so we are going to cut, paste. So from one browser window we are logged in as a admin user, from other we are logged in as a Vipin user, which is teacher. So here it is specifying this is the course for that is Vipin Gupta is the teacher. So we will go to click this. Now what the teacher is going to do, it is going to put some material. So we will be looking at that, how that teacher is going to create the material for the course, and then how it will be visible to the students. So we will skip this tool